Hi friends, this is Iqra. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will elaborate on the evidence of rust in the Quran. If iron is exposed to oxygen and water, it will eventually convert to rust and disintegrate. Rust is an iron oxide, a usually red oxide formed by the redox reaction of iron and oxygen in the presence of water or air moisture. Several forms of rust are distinguishable both visually and by spectroscopy, and form under different circumstances. Rust consists of hydrated iron oxides and iron oxide hydroxide. Coatings and painting. Rust formation can be controlled with coatings, such as paint, lacquer, varnish, or wax tapes that isolate the iron from the environment. To prevent rust, you have to block the oxygen or water. One of the used methods is to coat the iron. This was known recently, however this was portrayed in the Quran 1400 years before it was discovered. In the story of Dhul-Qarnain, he poured tar over the iron. The Holy Quran says in chapter 18 and verse 96, "Bring me blocks of iron." So that, when he split it equally between the two barriers, he said, "Blow." And having turned it into a fire, he said, "Bring me tar to pour over it." In this verse the Holy Quran says that he coated the iron with tar. Today we know why. Tar prevents oxygen and water from reaching the iron, thus preventing rust. How could an illiterate man who lived 1400 years ago have known how to prevent rust? The Holy Quran surely is a wonderful miracle of Allah Almighty. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.